What would you say to someone who maybe doesn't necessarily want to be a coach, but really wants to learn all these tools?
Do it. Massively do it, because actually it's a really good question and a really good point, because I think a lot of people, when they maybe look at the events, look at the groups, look at all the stuff, it's like all these people are out there and they're coaching people and all that sort of stuff, and maybe they think, oh, well, I can't do that because that's not what I want to do. But it's like, it couldn't be further from the truth. If you want to be a coach, then, you know, all the best to you. Go and change the world. But that's not what it's about. It's like, learn the tools. Learn the tools for yourself, learn the tools for your kids, learn the tools to implement in your own job. You don't have to become a coach, because I can tell you right now, it's not for everyone. I can tell you right now, it's not for everyone. And I've seen a lot of people personally fall into that trap of, oh, everyone else is doing it, so I need to do it. It's like, well, what if you're already amazing and a master of what you're doing? Why would you throw that into to become something that you don't even really want to do to start with? So my best advice for that is learn the tools, learn the skills. It's got nothing to do with becoming a coach. You only become a coach to help other people out if that is what you actually want. If it's not, then don't even put it on the table. You do you, and everything else doesn't really matter.